Hello. Makain ako ng ano yan? Ito fried rice. At ito pritong pampano. At ito naman, naubusan ako ng sibuyas kaya itong ano ko, bawang at may lemon at soy sauce. Okay. Makain na tayo. Na ano. Sarap. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Makain tayo ng isda. Hindi ko na ito kakainin. Sarap. Kinain ko na to kasi wala naman ibang makain. Kaya ako nilang. Mamaya madidig ako ng halaman. Alexa, what time it's getting dark?
From Wisdom.com.
No, what time is going to the
PM,
what
the
time
sun goes down and it gets dark out.
what time?
It's 7:17 p.m.
I mean
Have a
what
wonderful evening.
okay, what time is going
It's 7:17 p.m.
Alexa, what time is getting dark?
Sunset in Abbotsford will be at 8:42 p.m. today.
Okay, thank you.
Anytime. Literally.
Alexa, it's gonna be sunny tomorrow? Alexa, it's gonna be sunny tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Abbotsford, there will be showers, with a high of 18 degrees Celsius and a low of 9 degrees.
Wow. Shower. Hindi ko inaano. Sarap. Sarap na may limonsito at bawang. Sarap talaga. Sarap ng ano. Lalo na kung may saging. Mako ako ng saging. At ako'y talagang gutom na gutom na. Nagluto na ako para makapag ako, concentrate sa halaman ko mamaya. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood ng aking vlogs. Matigas. Nasisira ang ngipin. Sarap. Nung prinito ko to, ang ginamit ko, coconut milk. Yeah. Sarap. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa panonood ng aking vlogs. Thank you, thank you.